Yeah,
baby.
I don't even know what we're doing.
We are doing a Sprite challenge. Yeah, apparently you have
Sprite challenge.
Yeah, apparently you have to drink all this water without burping.
Without burping.
Guys, that is literally not even possible.
It's possible.
It is. Let's try.
Start.
Wait.
You can stop, Mara. Don't burp.
Oh, okay, then that's
Yeah.
good.
You?
What happens when you burp you out? You
Yeah.
burp you
You
out.
can't. Try and control your
Don't burp like Rana said.
Keep it in.
Okay.
Let's go.
Okay, let's go. Hey! Ah.
This is not possible. It's literally here. Okay.
Guys, focus on your drink.
Oh God. Only it's here.
Control it.
We are killing ourselves. What is this? It's literally standing here.
Temba, keep quiet. You disturbing us. Don't talk.
It's coming! No, I give up.
Oh,
I'm not
God.
doing this. It's here. It's gonna come
You
by
need to
itself.
keep quiet. Because you talk too much.
Now we talk about when I am here, Puma. But Chaba, don't make me laugh, please. Oh, guys, don't laugh.
Temba, now go at your own pace. You don't have to finish at a certain time.
You guys.
Ah, my nose is fucking
So we always burp my physical drink.
Right, don't try it.
Don't
Try
drink.
it. Try it. Yo. Rest.
Keep quiet.
But Chaba, I could be buzzing there. Yo.
Guys, stop laughing. Go.
How are you guys drinking this much?
Guys, it's like la.
It's on John. I can't share. Okay. Is that any?
Fuck.
I got wrong.
Guys, what are we doing? What are we doing?
I'm just waiting.
As in going.
I'm just waiting.
Can I just give up, honestly
No.
speaking?
You put a younger person.
I will
Keep
not.
around. Take your safe and I safe and then you keep. Yo, I mean, I couldn't shit. Yo, but I wait. This woman, you
Breathe.
So. Then keep us on. Hi! Hi! Ah!
phela ezi-challenges nje. Yo.
Sorry. Come on, guys, if you want. This is a wena.